Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Ender with your Wednesday, February 7th morning market commentary. We had some active fund buying across the grain floor yesterday. Very large buying in corn, also seeing buying in beans and wheat as well. In fact, maybe the beans picked up the most, seeing such a strong day yesterday right ahead of what is supposed to be a slightly bearish crop report tomorrow. So we'll start here in the corn. Analysts for tomorrow's report looking for a 9 million bushel carryout reduction. As we said that we may have already factored in that 9 million bushel carryout reduction in yesterday's fund buying. So maybe today we'll end up trading a bit calm, and we'll see what we get on that report tomorrow. The ethanol report today, it needs to see an improvement. We've had 4 disappointing ethanol reports in a row. So we need to have that pick up. We had been running a pace of about 3% over last year for a whole number of reports, but then the last 4 have fallen to 1%, and in fact last week was 2% under last year's pace. So again, that ethanol report does need to pick up. There were no 8 a.m. sales here this morning, but we've had enough 8 a.m. sales in corn recently to suggest that this upcoming weekly export sales tomorrow morning could actually put corn ahead of the USDA pace for the first time this marketing year, which started in September 1st. Over in the beans, the analysts for tomorrow's report looking for a 16 million bushel carryout increase. Now, after yesterday's fund-related buying, we might see a pretty decent correction if we do get that increase without fund buying here today or tomorrow. We're still looking at solid 2 to 3 inch rains for Argentina on the 1 to 5 day map. On the bullish side, you could say that the 6 to 10, 11 to 15 are dry, but this is the first time we've put solid rains in that 1 to 5 day map in quite some time. The bean exports continue poor, so we would like to see an improvement on that report tomorrow on the export sales report. They've been running actually very poor, and that's mainly the reason why analysts are looking for a bearish report here tomorrow. Over in the wheat, we were looking at strong rains for the Kansas, Oklahoma, Nebraska area and down into Texas where it's needed the most. But the morning update eased back on that. Instead of 2 to 4 inch rains, we're now looking at 1 and possibly 2 in some areas and much less coverage. So we could see some support from that today. Over in cattle, we saw a 124 cash bid yesterday. That would be $2 lower. What we're looking at with the box beef and show this combined maybe only implies a $1 lower trade, so we're looking for a 125. So we'll see if anyone ends up taking that 124 today. Otherwise, we may have to wait till later in the week to find that 125. So we'll see what we get there in cash trade. We may have to wait till late in the week. Many of the recent cash cattle trades have had to wait quite some time. In fact, sometimes all the way till Friday afternoon. So that's what we're looking at here in the grains today. As always, you can contact us at 800-262-7538 or visit us on the web at allendale-inc.com.